So, the Nexvey Flash Pro is basically marketed as an electric dirt bike designed to give you the fun of off-road riding without a traditional gas engine. It looks pretty impressive in the marketing, but there are a few things I'd want to know before buying. The biggest thing is performance. Claims about speed, range and power can sound great, but real-world results depend on rider weight, terrain, riding style, and battery conditions. If you're riding aggressively off-road, don't expect the maximum advertised range. I'd also look closely at the battery, charging time, suspension, brakes, and replacement parts. With an electric dirt bike, after-sales support can be just as important as the bike itself. If something breaks, you want to know that parts and service are actually available. And don't forget legality. Depending on where you live, an electric dirt bike may not be street legal, and there can be specific rules about where you're allowed to ride it. So, is the Nexvey Flash Pro worth buying? It could be interesting if you want an electric off-road bike and the specifications match what you actually need. But I'd verify the company's reputation, warranty, parts availability, and real-world reviews before spending your money. Overall, the bike may look exciting, but don't judge it purely from the promotional videos. Check the actual specifications and support behind the product first. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.